In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a transition to a video in CapCut PC. If you want your video clips to flow together more smoothly with effects like zooms, dissolves, or cinematic wipes, CapCut PC makes the process very simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the easiest way to place a transition between two clips and adjust it so it feels right for your edit. To begin, make sure your two video clips are placed side by side on the main timeline track. What you want is a clean cut point where the first clip ends and the second clip begins. That edit point is exactly where the transition will go. If there's a gap between the clips, the transition may not behave the way you expect, so it's a good idea to check that the clips are touching neatly on the timeline before moving on. Once your clips are lined up, go to the top left menu bar and click on the Transitions tab. This is where CapCut organizes all of its transition effects into different categories. You may see options like camera, blur, and trending, among others. Take a moment to browse through them and get a feel for the styles available. As you move your mouse over a transition icon, CapCut will preview the effect for you, which is really helpful when you're deciding what fits the tone of your video. For example, a blur transition can feel soft and modern, while a camera-style transition can add more energy and motion. When you find one you like, click and drag that transition directly down onto the cut line between the two clips on your timeline. Drop it right on that edit point to apply it. CapCut will place the transition there automatically, and you'll be able to see its icon sitting between the clips. After that, click on the transition icon in the timeline so you can fine-tune it. Then look over to the top right Properties panel under Transition. Here you'll find the Duration slider. This control lets you decide how quickly or slowly the transition plays. A shorter duration creates a faster, snappier movement, while a longer duration gives you a smoother, more noticeable blend between clips. Adjust it based on the pace and style of your video. Finally, press the spacebar to play back your timeline and preview the transition in motion. Watching it back is the best way to tell whether the timing feels natural. If needed, you can continue adjusting the duration until it looks just right, and that's it. You've successfully added a transition in CapCut PC.